हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज़ सिक्योरिटी असेसमेंट एंड व्हाट आर द कैटेगरीज ऑफ सिक्योरिटी असेसमेंट। ओके, तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट देखते हैं व्हाट इज़ सिक्योरिटी असेसमेंट। ओके, एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूज डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सिक्योरिटी असेसमेंट to validate the levels of security on its network resource. Okay, organization needs to choose this assessment method that suit the requirements of its situation most appropriate. Okay, people conducting different types of security assessment must possess different skill. Pen tester, if they are employees or outsourced security expert, must have through experience of penetration testing. Okay, so this is the security assessment. Next, security assessment categories. Security assessment is broadly divided into three categories. First one is security audit. Okay, next second one is vulnerability assessment, and third one is penetration testing. Okay, so let's see first. Okay, security audit. IT security audit typically focus on the people and processes used to design, implement and manage security on network. Okay, there is baseline involved for processor and policy within organization. Okay, in IT security audit, the auditor and the organization security policy and procedure use the specific baseline to audit the organizations. Okay, and IT management usually initiate IT security audit. Okay, the NIST, it means National Institute of Standard and Technology. Okay, is an IT security audit manual and associate tool set to conduct the audit. Okay, in computer security audit, technical assessment of system or application is done manually or automatic. Okay, you can perform a manual assessment by using the following techniques like interviewing the staff, reviewing application and operating system access control, and analyzing physical access to the systems. Okay, and you can perform the automatic assessment, so like following techniques like generating audit reports and monitoring and reports the changes in the files. Okay, so this is the security audit. Okay, next one is vulnerability assessment. Vulnerability assessment helps you in identify security vulnerabilities. To perform vulnerability assessment, you should be very skilled professional. Okay, through proper assessment, threat from hackers, former employees and internal employees, etc. Okay, next is last one is penetration testing. Penetration testing is act of testing organizational security by simulating the action of an attacker. It helps you in determining various levels of vulnerabilities and what extent an external attacker can damage the network before it actually occurs. Okay, so this is the penetration testing. So three categories of security assessment. Thank you for watching.